Hi guys, welcome to my channel, The Magical Art with Ananya. So it's Christmas time, let's make something interesting. So let's draw some sketch of Christmas tree. So this is the first one. See, it's so easy. We can draw it with orange color. Let's add a star. You can draw with any other color. I prefer orange, and we are adding hearts, bells, small cherries to the Christmas tree so that it looks pretty. Then it's a green one. Okay, see, you can write like WV and make some ribbons around it, and then you can highlight it with a deep green. This looks attractive and easy, also, right? Drawing the Christmas tree is really easy. We are just learning how to draw it in different forms and different shapes. So, we have added a heart to it, and then we are drawing the third one, that is with the brown color. You can make a Christmas tree like this also. And so I think that everybody will now learn how to draw Christmas tree in easy steps. And tell me, so what you are doing for Christmas? Many are going out, many are celebrating it. I think everybody is going to have a very good time in Christmas. So Merry Christmas to everyone. And I hope you all enjoy Christmas a lot. Let's learn the fifth type of drawing Christmas trees. It is similar to the second one, but a little bit different. Here we are not highlighting it with dark green color. We are adding star with red, and we are drawing the bark and adding some hearts to it. This is pretty, right? And then let's move on to the next one, the sixth one. It's a orange and blue one, right? You can draw it like this also, very easy. And we will add the bark to it, decorate it, make it look beautiful. You can select your favorite one and draw it, and you can color with your favorite color. These are small sketches I have drawn, easy for everyone. And after that, let's draw the last one, very simple. Just a rough sketch to whatever you want, it will turn into a tree. And you can draw this and surprise your parents also, right? And we are adding some green hearts, some green cherries around it, yellow, and so that it looks beautiful. So this is the very easy drawing of Christmas tree. And do like, share, and subscribe my channel, The Magical Art with Ananya, for more such content.